Dear American farmer, thank you for listening to my video. My name is Johan van der Kerk. I'm from Bloemfontein in South Africa, basically in the middle of South Africa. I'm very passionate about farming, especially the growing of crops and the satisfaction that you get when working in the soil and planting and see the growth of your hard work becoming a success. I'm a hardworking young man that is not afraid to make his hands dirty. I'm trustworthy, honest and a reliable person. Somebody you can count on to get the job done. Even if I drove truck or work in the fields on the tractor, I enjoy my work and is very passionate about it. I would be for sure an acquisition for your farm or your business. I'm always eager to keep learning every day and are a fast learner. I have the right attitude and willingness to listen, grow, and to do the job the first time, every time. I bring both skill and humility to the job. I'm really a person you can invest in as an employee without a doubt for your farm, and be sure that I will make it my own, therefore it will be successful. You have to own it, I believe, even if it's not your land, but you must work it as if it is your own fields that you are working. That way it will always be successful. Thank you very much again for listening to my video, and I hope that you will give me a chance to show you what I can do.